Yes, good morning everyone. Today, in our 8th standard, the chapter number 12, Some Natural Phenomena. In this chapter, we are going to give a demo on earthquake. Here, in this chapter, we are going to study two destructive natural phenomena, that is, first one, lightning and earthquake. In this video, I am going to show you the demo of earthquake by using 8th standard children. Yes. Now I am going to call Varshini to say the definition of earthquake.
Earthquake, a sudden shaking. Earthquake, a sudden shaking of the ground caused by the release of energy in the earth's crust.
Yes. Now I am going to call Nagesh to hit the ground by using hammer. Yes. Now Nagesh is hitting the ground. Yes. Like this, the building collapses when earthquake happens. You can observe clearly all the buildings are collapsed and even trees also fell down.
Here, structure of the earth. Upper layer is called crust, here mantle, this outer core and inner core. Once again, I repeat what is earthquake. Earthquake is sudden shaking of the ground caused by the release of energy in the earth's crust.
ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅರ್ಥಕ್ವೇಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್? ಈ ಒಂದು ಭೂಕಂಪ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅನಾಹುತಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀರ್ತನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಎಸ್.
What can earthquakes cause? Ground shaking, ಭೂಕಂಪನ, landslides, ಭೂಕುಸಿತ, ಸುನಾಮಿ, avalanches, ಹಿಮಕುಸಿತ, fissures, ಕಂದರಗಳು.
Yes, that was the wonderful experiment about earthquake. Those who have participated here, I would like to congratulate them. Yes, clap.